Here in this problem, if A vector is equals to 2i plus 2j plus 3k, B vector is equals to minus I plus 2j plus k, C is equals to 3i cap plus j cap, and A plus lambda B vector is perpendicular to C, then find the value of lambda. Alright. Now already we know that A vector is equals to 2i plus 2j plus 3k, while B vector is equals to minus I plus 2j plus k, and C vector is equals to 3i plus j. Since A vector plus lambda B vector is perpendicular to C, their dot product becomes 0. Therefore, A vector plus lambda B vector dot C vector is equals to 0. Whenever two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product becomes 0. Now we'll multiply A vector dot C vector plus lambda into B vector dot C vector is equals to 0. Now get this A vector dot C vector to this side. Then we'll get it as lambda into B vector dot C vector is equals to minus of A vector dot C vector. We want the value of lambda. So lambda is equals to minus of A vector dot C vector by B vector dot C vector. We will get lambda is equals to minus of the value of A is 2i plus 2j plus 3k dot B C vector is 3i plus j by B dot C, that is minus I plus 2j plus k dot 3i plus j. Then we will get lambda is equals to minus of jj will be multiplied. We will get 6 plus 2. There is no k in the second vector, so it becomes 0 by the denominator. We will get it as minus 3 plus 2 plus 0, that is equals to minus 8 by minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. We will get 8. Therefore, lambda is equals to 8. So by the condition, we are going to get the value of lambda is equals to 8 by taking A vector plus lambda B vector is perpendicular to C vector.